Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be microwaving my bacon. That's just a quick way that I do it. Normally I lay them all flat, but I'm using just a paper plate and about 5 napkins. Normally I forgot to use these, which is better. I would only use like 3 of them and they'll lay flat, but it doesn't matter on this. So I just throw them in the microwave sometimes when I want to eat real quick. So I'm just going to put it in the microwave like this. Put the top over it because it's going to splash grease everywhere. And then I'm just going to start by doing it for about 3 minutes. And we'll see what happens from there. All the bacon is pretty much different, so the timing will be different. So I'm going to just be adding it to my sandwich, so that's why I said it really doesn't matter. It's not like I'm making eggs with it or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and check it at like 131. So, not quite. I want it crispy. So I'm checking it again, and as you can see, it's starting to crisp in the middle part and roll up, which I don't mind because it's going on my sandwich. But I'm still going to put it in like a minute longer. Okay, so now you see the difference. I'm going to let it sit for a little bit because, you know, the grease still is cooking it. And that's how I like my bacon. See how it all sticks together? And as I said, it's going to get crunchy. So, thanks for watching.